Tay-Tay, what happened?
No to get my chicken, Mommy.
He did what?
No to get my chicken, Mommy.
Did he just look at it? Where did it go?
I don't know, Mommy. I don't know.
You don't know? Did he eat it? He ate your chicken all gone? Show Mommy your plate again. What did Noah do?
To get my chicken, Mommy. Look at. Mommy, look at.
It's all gone. Is Noah a good boy or bad boy?
Bad boy.
Look at Mommy. What'd you say? Noah's what? Noah's what?
My bowl, yucky.
Your bowl's yucky. Noah's a bad boy? Do you want more chicken? How do you say it nicely? No, you say more chicken, please.
More chicken, please.